Tinikman niya isa-isa. Kung ano yung lasa niya, yun na yung kanya.
Anong ginagawa mo?
How to make a banana cue. First, you roast it until it will burn. You see that black?
It looks like this.
Yes, when you see the
First you can-
black pieces of skin, it means it's good. After that, you budburan ng butter. Meaning, you get a paintbrush, then you paint it with butter. Ay, not butter, margarine. We don't have butter in the Philippines, only margarine. After that, you see the sugar. See? Mountain of sugar. You roll it like that. Roll it until it will be covered with sugar. Like a candy crush. That's the first one. Next. Another. You see? Perfect. With plenty of black. It's burned. Sa Bisaya dong.
Kaya daw eh.
Pag nakita mo na nasunog na siya dong, nga na dong.
Ay, may mo margarine.
I-margarine mo na dong. Daghan na day uy.
Tsaba ka na daw.
Natsabakano, si Kemaw Yale, meaning, Beno Yakel. Basta minatong negro, Kemaw Yakel, okay agad kel. Except na jamong kulay, kaya sinagat kami, Kemaw agad kami dahan. Kung tasuda-suda ya,
Sabroso daw. Sabroso.
kaya eleman niya po si Abla ka mo hindi sabroso, mandas ko na itong salikin na dilakas. This one's for you.
Mine.
Sa'yo.
Thank you.
Ito masarap po.
Ayan, gusto mo?
Ito na maraming suso. Yum. Harap. Cheers.
Tagay pa pa. Pala yan.
Yun pala yung tama.
Ay, mali ako.
Happy Fiesta. Tugbungan.
Wala piyesta dito.
Sarap. Maraming margarine.
Tugbungan din yung bagong bahay doon.
Opo.
Ay,
Napiesta sa
nagis.
inyo.
Doon nga sa kanila, isinabay sa...
Blessing.
Opo. Tapos late ang pari.
Tagal.
Super late.
Nakikain pa yun.
Baka piyesta din sa kanila.